So you guys remember before placed another in this platform we had 4,821 followers, and right here we still have 4,821 followers, right? So how did we know if this account, these followers are already started coming in? All we need to do is for us to actually refresh. How do we refresh? We don't need to draw this thing down right here, and boom, you can see we currently have 4,852 followers right here, which means that these followers have already started coming in. Guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually boost your TikTok views and TikTok followers in just one website, right? And it's very simple. All you need to do is to come to this website called boostthatthing.com. The link is in the description. Just tap on it and it will take you to the website. Do exactly the same thing I'm going to be doing in this video, and you'll be able to get them. So firstly, we just need to create an account. We don't need to come to this sign up right here. Can you see the sign up? Just tap on it, and once you tap on it, right, it's going to take you to this place where you're going to create a username and put your email right here, create a password, confirm your password, and click on the sign up right here, and your account is going to be created. But due to because I already have an account, there's no need for me to start creating a new account. So I just need to log into my account to show you guys exactly how to use this platform. So let's go. So right now I've logged into my account. As you can see right here, when you create an account and log in, this is exactly how you're going to be looking like. So the first thing you need to do is for you to actually come to this category right here. Can you see this category right here? Just tap on it and scroll down and look for TikTok followers. So right here you can see TikTok followers, just the same way you can, if you scroll down, you'll see TikTok views, right? You don't need to select the particular one you want and place it. The difference between the two services is that if you're ordering for followers, you need your profile link. If you're ordering for likes, you need the particular post link. If you're ordering for views, you need particular post link, right? That link that you want people to view, that's what we are going to be using. That link that you want people to like the post, that's what we are going to be using. So the difference is that if you are ordering for likes or views, you need a post link, not a profile link. But now in this video we are going to be doing followers, right? So I'm going to be using profile link, and I'll show you guys exactly how to do that. So what we need to do right now is for us to select the preferable one, right? I like using this particular one, this TikTok followers 10% drop fast delivery. So I don't need to select it. Then come to this service right here. Can you see this service right here? Just tap on it and select preferable one. I like using the first one, so I don't need to select it. Then come to description. Description is actually where they describe everything about the service. It's important for you to read description in order for you to understand what you're going for, right? So you read the description. After reading the description, just come to display the road link and insert your link, right? Well, let's go to TikTok. Let me show you guys how to copy link. So right now I'm on my TikTok right here, and if you actually want to copy your profile link, all you need to do is for you to actually come to this arrow up here. Can you see this arrow up here? Just tap on it and come to this copy link right here. Can you see the copy link right here? Just tap on it and your link is copied. Before we get back to boost that thing, I want us to actually mark it. We have 4,821 followers. We need to mark it because we are going to come back for you to see that these followers are going to increase. So let's go. So we don't need to paste our link right here, and come to quantity. Quantity is the amount of followers you want in this video. I just want only 100. So, and the next thing we need to do is for us to come to the submit right here. Can you see the submit? Just tap on the submit, and right here you can see they said our order have been received. Right. All we need to do right now is for us to start patient, and these followers will start coming in. But before then, I want you guys to understand that whatever you're doing in this platform is not free. You need to pay money for you to actually get them. So how do you fund account in this platform? Is very easy. All you need to do is to come to this three line up here. Can you see this three line up here? Tap on it. Come to this add fund right here. Can you see this add fund right here? Tap on it and come to this amount and enter the amount you want to pay, and click on this pay right here, and Corape is going to ask you how would you like to pay. Would you like to pay with debit card, or you want to pay with bank or bank transfer? You select debit card, put your card details right here, and click on pay, and your payment will go. And if you select bank transfer, just read down this instruction right here and tell them I understand instruction, and click on this continue right here, and Corape is going to provide account number you're going to be making payment to. All you need to do is to make payment to this account number. You don't need to do anything. Automatically this payment is going to reflect to your balance. Easy peasy. So this is exactly how to actually fund an account in this platform, right? So let's go back to TikTok to actually confirm if these followers have started coming in. So let's go. So you guys remember before placed another in this platform we had 4,821 followers, and right here we still have 4,821 followers, right? So how did we know if this account, these followers are already started coming in? All we need to do is for us to actually refresh. How do we refresh? We don't need to draw this thing down right here, and boom, you can see we currently have 4,852 52 followers right here, which means that these followers has already started coming in. And if we come to the notification, we are going to see that we just new 32 followers are just entered right here, and this is exactly how they are going to be coming until they complete the amount of followers that we ordered, right? So guys, this is exactly how to actually boost your views on TikTok and also your followers on TikTok, you know. And it's not only TikTok, you can also boost your other social media platform, right? And the name of this website is called boostthatthing.com. The link is in the description. Just tap on it, it will take you to the website, right? So thank you all for watching, and see you guys in my next video.